Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about integers. More specifically, we're going to find the opposite of an integer. So whenever we have a negative sign and then parentheses, this means the opposite of what's inside the parentheses. So the opposite of that number. Inside the parentheses, we are going to have a number, and the negative on the outside means the opposite of that number on the inside. So let's go over an example. If we have a negative and then inside the parentheses we have 4, this means the opposite of 4. And the opposite of 4 is equal to negative 4. And if we had a negative and then negative 4 on the inside of the parentheses, this means the opposite of negative 4, and the opposite of negative 4 is equal to 4. So let's go over some examples. Here we have a negative sign, and in parentheses we have 5. And this means the opposite of 5. And the opposite of 5 is equal to negative 5. So below, you could see that our answer is negative 5. Here we have a negative, and then in parentheses we have negative 5. And this means the opposite of negative 5, which is equal to positive 5. So the opposite of negative 5 is equal to 5. Next, we have a negative sign, and then in parentheses we have 7, which means the opposite of 7. And the opposite of 7 is equal to negative 7. Finally, we have a negative sign, and then in parentheses we have negative 7, which means the opposite of negative 7. And the opposite of negative 7 is equal to 7.